Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen on the device. So before we get started, there's two things that we will need. One is a internet connection, which I already am connected, as you can see right here, this icon. And number two is a SIM card. So you want to insert a SIM card into your device, and once you do, the device will prompt you that you need to reboot the device before you can actually use the SIM card. So do that, and once it's back on, you want to tap on the emergency information, tap on that once more, and disregard this. You should not see anything in here. So you want to tap on the pencil, and I'm going to get rid of this. So once, let's go back. So you will see this, then tap on the pencil, and you will have the emergency information screen. So from here, tap on add contact, and if you don't see any contacts right here, just give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer for it to load. But once it does, you just want to choose whichever contact. It doesn't really matter, just add one contact and then tap on it and choose to message it. Just tap on the message icon right there, and from the messaging app, tap on the three dots and go into details, tap on notifications, and then tap on the notifications again right here. So tap on the, there we go, on the entire message thing, and from here that's advanced, and you should see the SMS app, and just yes, so tap on that, open links, and from here scroll all the way down till you see YouTube, and once you do, tap on the YouTube icon once more. We're gonna go into, so tap on notifications, scroll advanced, and then additional settings in the app, like so, and choose about, and then YouTube terms of service. And this will open up Chrome, so accept here, and we don't want to log in, so no thanks. And then tap on the search bar right there, and you want to navigate into HardReset.Info. Like so. Let's go. And then tap on the three bars right here and go into the download category. And the download search field, you want to search for Android 8. Android 8, like so, and search. And then you should only see one thing, so the FRP bypass, tap on download. Again, scroll down and tap on the download once more. And we need to actually grant access to storage, so continue, allow, and OK. And it will download, and then you can open it up. So tap on open, and before we can install it, we again need to grant access, so Chrome is allowed to install stuff. So just tap on settings and allow from this source, and go back, and now we can tap on install. Give it a moment for it to install, and once it has, open it up. And now we're in the app. So from here, you want to first start off by tapping a Google Account Manager APK install and select for version 6.0. Again, tap on the settings and allow from this source, and go back so we can install. There we go. And this time around, once it's installed, tap on done, and it will take you back to the FRP bypass app. And from here, you want to tap on bypass FRP and select browser sign in, and then tap on the three dots and again choose browser sign in. Okay, and this will bring up the Google login. So in here you can log in with whatever account you want to. I can create one if you wish to, and I would advise to create it on your computer rather than the phone. And once you did, or well, you can always use your existing one. So once you have an account, you just want to log in here. Tap on next, and I'm gonna put in the password and then sign in. And you will see that it's signing in, and once it has, it goes straight back to the FRP bypass app. So once you have logged in, And you're back here, hold the power key and select restart. And now that it's back on, let's just put in the pin for the SIM card. And now we can go through the setup, so let's do that now. Next, agree. And this time around we should see account added. There it is, so account added, and it provides the account that we have literally inserted before the restart. So let's tap on next. That is normally where you would actually have to verify your account, and as you've just seen, we didn't have to do anything. Don't restore. Now you want to go through the setup process as quick as possible. It doesn't really matter what we choose at the moment. There will be another reset that we will have to perform. Skip for now. And as you can see, we're now on the home screen. So from here, let's go into the settings, scroll all the way down till you find system, and from here reset options and erase all data factory reset. Once you tap on it, it gives you information on what to remove. So all the stuff that, well, nothing should be on the device at the moment, so it doesn't really concern us. But what does is this last option right here. So it shows us the account that we have just added, but also includes the previous account that was blocking us. So once you tap on reset phone and erase everything, this will remove both of the accounts. And after the reset, you can then go through the setup process without actually connecting to anything, and the device will be at that point fully unlocked. So let's wait for the reset to finish. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so we can now set up our device. Now once more, I'll go through a fairly quick setup process. Now I'm going to also take out the card so I don't have to restart it. Cool. Can you disappear, please? Oh my gosh. So apparently the phone isn't bright enough to realize that I don't need to restart it. That would be amazing, so I guess I have to do it anyway, even though the card is right here. So let's do that. Okay, so now let's go to the setup again. Now once more, I'm going to go through a quick one. So first thing you can see is the skip button, which normally if the device is still locked, you cannot see even. So let's skip this. Tap on next. Skip for now. Skip anyway. Skip for now. Don't use. Next. And we're now in the home screen with the device being fully unlocked. So that is how you would bypass the Google verification screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.